Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for August 20th to September 1st. For August 20th to 24th, this is what we're forecasting the pattern. The pattern starts off here with a very strong positive height anomalies here. And we have below normal heights or upper low across this region near Hudson Bay that sinks a little bit south. The trough eventually lifts out towards the Arctic and replaced by an upper low that lifts towards Alaska. And then we have the zone of flow that remains across the northern states with above normal heights across much of the nation. So we're going to go to the 20th and you start seeing the high, the ridge by Alaska lifting out, upper low becoming established. We still have our above normal heights across this area here, zone of flow. Okay, we're going to talk about this other thing that's going on. Okay, we're expecting see, I don't think the models are working again. Hold on a second. Little technical difficulties. Okay, they're starting to work now. Okay, let's see if I can get. Okay, we have this low here that'll be bringing heavy rainfall here across portions of the southeast. And it's developing over the northeast Gulf of Mexico, and the National Hurricane Center gives it at least 20% chance, 2 out of 10 chances of developing into a tropical system. It probably won't. I don't know what the update is. The update hasn't come out yet as I'm doing this video, but we're going to have a low here that will bring heavy rainfall to this region. And this is the GFS. And we go through the days here, and then we look at, okay, I only have the I thought I had the European. Okay, now here's the rainfall in 12-hour periods. They're jumping around a little bit, and then here's the European. European has a little bit more rainfall than the other models. Then we also have another area here that might be developing over the southwest Gulf of Mexico. So there's a lot of things now that we're into mid-August that the tropics might be picking up. And then we have diurnal activity causing heavy rain across the central and eastern Gulf Coast states. And that'll continue through the weekend. Okay, August, this is for the period August 23rd to 27th. And we have an upper low over Alaska, ridge north of James Bay, right here. And we have our zone of flow across the area. And then we have near to above normal heights. And there's a tendency here, we have above normal heights across much of the nation, near to above normal. And there's a tendency here for a little bit of troughing here. Over the northeast and middle Atlantic. We'll look at the models to start seeing what I mean. And the European remains the most amplified here, with a trough developing here in the east, strong ridge here across the Rockies, same as yesterday, and that hasn't changed. But the other models, you can see what they're showing. So for this forecast period, I am calling for above normal temperatures for a large portion of the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees above normals, but especially in the west, near normal here in the east. And then for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and here. Probability of occurrence 35%, and then we have above normal precipitation for this region here, and the probability of occurrence 35 to 40%. Now we go to the forecast period of September or August 28th to September 1st, beginning of meteorological fall. I don't know. I'm glad to see the summer go. I don't know about everybody else, but here's the 28th. Below normal heights forecast across Alaska and Western Canada, near to above normal heights across the nation, and a weak trough here across the northeastern Great Lakes again. And the European again remains the most aggressive with this pattern. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures from the Mississippi Valley to the Pacific Coast, with anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal, a little bit near to either side of normal for the remainder of the nation. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35 to 40%, above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for August 20th through September 9th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.